I think I'm going to be brave enough, and I'm going to give this manufacturer one advice. You ready for it?
I'm ready.
So, since you're a manufacturer, and I'm a voice of roofing communities,
Sure.
I'm going to tell you what roofers, I think, need. Okay? So, it's like, just like in a business, in the family, business owners don't have usually around them somebody who will tell it how it is, tell them the truth.
Right.
You know, if you suck, you suck. Okay. So what's usually happens, business owners are hardworking guys, and everybody praise them. Everybody goes like, "Oh, you started your own business, you're an entrepreneur, awesome." You know, wife, employees, like, you know, my employees will rarely tell me, "Dmitry, this is a bad idea," whatever. And my advice to you, like, I would like to see to my manufacturer to tell me what I'm doing wrong.
Yeah.
So if I give you one tip, it would be like, tell them how it is.
Sure.
If they suck, like, and it can be in different ways. You can say it in a nice way, but what I've never seen happen in 5 years, and I play with most manufacturers. Like, for example, one of your competitors, it was just shows just like this, and I came to them to their booth, and they gave me. I asked them, how do you become certified? And they're like, the guy literally took my address and phone number, and in 3 days I received certification that I can post on my wall, and he sent me 5 yard signs with their logo and my logo, and this is what I'm talking about. I call it BS. Okay, I've never installed it. They never teach me anything.
How does that make all of the other people who are certified in that area feel?
Exactly.
It totally waters
Exactly.
the program.
So what's happening is manufacturers trying to get you at all costs and praise you like, "Oh, you're great. Like, here's the resources, here's certification, here's rebates." I don't want to like that.
Yeah.
What I want is manufacturers say, "Dmitry, you struggle in this area.
Yeah.
This was you know." I mean, one of the manufacturers, like, about couple months ago in the class, and somebody asked about financing, and he said to the entire room, he said, "If you're not offering financing,
Yeah.
you shouldn't be in business."
Yeah. We agree with that sentiment.
Exactly, but that's what I want to hear.
Yeah.
So
I think that's
tell them
great
how
advice.
it is. Tell them how it is.
Absolutely. I think that's great advice, and we'll take that to heart, because I think there's a way to communicate that stuff to make sure that all boats rise with the rising tide, so to speak. And it's true. I think people need to hear some of those hard truths. We boil it down to some things that are even simpler than that. Are you even just taking credit cards, you know, and are you afraid of, you know, dipping into your pocket to take a credit card? You may be losing so many customers just because of something as simple as that.
Yeah.
You know, and I think there's so many pieces of advice that are simple that can help you guys, but I think honesty is important, you know, and I think we do run into that. And a lot of these programs are watered down, and we don't do everything perfect. We are constantly listening and trying to figure out how to do things better. But I agree with you that the whole notion that loyalty can be bought or delivered in a UPS package is really, really challenging for our industry. So we are going to continue to hear that feedback and find ways to really bring real value with the programs we put out there, because it's great advice for us.
Thank you, man.
Great
Appreciate
seeing
it.
you as always. Have a great rest of your show.
You too. Thank you, sir.